Hello, teacher. My name is Wilson Giovanni Lachehen. I am a student the engineering agroforestry. I have made the video of my career. So a tree, so a life. It is considered that the plant of tree is a strategy for the production of four precious litres water, since it in ore and to take care of environment, since the importance of caring for the environment that we as human beings and sentences must have to take care of ours. The plants of trees will be on since there are few trace planets, both in the surroundings and in its water sources, and due to the contamination, the most precious leak such as water dries up a lot. The, the tree will be planted near the water source. That is, the trees are a support in the production of the water sources. It should also be reforested because the people on the streets and the animals are running out of water. It should be noted that this is an excellent strategy to project the water production. It is said that many people are concerned about caring for the environment every day, and more communicative, communicative, communicative are becoming aware of the importance of planting trees and that planting is an environmental impact initiative. Thank you very much.